Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Just wanted to show you the Quranic Arabic grammar app and the progress on it so far. The goal of this application is to help you translate or understand the Quran without the need of a translation. So inshallah, when you're standing behind the Imam, you're able to understand what is being recited. It's the core of the app is Arabic grammar rule based, right? Quranic Arabic grammar rule based. So the first tab here is it's going to give you a rule. For example, here it says in Arabic, verbs may come before the subject in a sentence. It'll show you some examples directly from the Quran. So here the example given is qala Allah. The verb qala comes before the subject Allah, and you can look at multiple examples from the same rule if you want. Here's another one, ya'lamullah. So this one comes from Surah An-Nisa. If you click on the reference, it'll also give you, the entire ayah. So here it means ya'lamullah, which means ya'lamu, which is the verb, which comes before the subject Allah. So it means Allah knows. Ya'lamullah. So you can look at multiple examples if you want. You can go on to the next rule. This one is adjectives come after the noun they describe. So if you look at some rules here, for example, kitabun. If you look at some examples, kitabun karimun. So you can see that the adjective, which is karimun, which means noble, comes after the noun kitabun, right? So you can see the same pattern being followed in this rule from multiple examples in the Quran. Here's another one, baladan aminan. Baladan aminan. So aminan means secure, baladan means city. And if you look at the ayah, where this came from, this is the ayah. So alhamdulillah, you can learn, and as you look at these examples, it'll add them to your words learned list, and you can go through them at any time. Expand this and just check which grammar rule this came from, and the explanation of it again for you here. And just to test you out, right, whether you actually know the translation, there's a quiz page here where you can actually be quizzed and test your knowledge on this. So here, for example, it says qala Allah. What is the translation of this? We studied that it means Allah said. Okay, ya'lamullah, Allah knows. Yakhluqullah. Let's just give it a wrong answer and see what happens. Okay, so here it gives you feedback, quick feedback on which one is the right one. Kitabun Karimun. Here I'll select another one that's wrong, and let's select another one that's wrong, right? So after you complete the quiz, it's going to give you, check your results in the word tab. When you go back to your word tab, everything that you got right marked as green, and the ones that you need to focus on more marked in red. And again, you can go back and click on any of these ayah references to see where that example came from. Try to build your knowledge. Once you're ready, go back, take the quiz again. And your goal would be to keep all these in green, right? And the idea is we covered the entire Quran, all the words in the entire Quran, via grammar rules, inshallah. That's the core. That's what differentiates this app from others, right? All the other apps in the market, they teach you vocabulary, but they don't teach you grammar. And if you had known grammar, that could have covered, you could have learned the key, the rule that would have helped you translate so many more words in vocabulary, right? So vocabulary is a byproduct. Grammar is the core thing that we want to highlight here, inshallah. So give me your feedback, inshallah, and how to improve, what other things you'd like to see in this. This is again just a mock-up version of the app. If you want to get early access, if you want to get notified when the full app is released, there's a button up top here. Send your email. We'll inshallah send you, immediately notify you when the app is ready, inshallah. Barakallahu feek. Jazakallah khair for listening.